is our first day back on the job in like over a month.
I feel lazy as fuck.
Yeah, we've been hibernating hardcore for the last month.
I feel like we say that in every video.
Well, it's still winter, there's still snow, and we had to dig like to get to the van, so I mean...
Yeah, but it's all behind us now.
It's all behind us now, but it does lend itself to a different pace than like summer building.
Oh my god.
Building. It's like...
You're so right.
Anyways, so this will be a slow build.
Whatever. This is our before shot, I guess. You'll be in it.
Yeah, wow.
Alright, let's make these measurements.
Okay. About 27 inches.
27?
So it is 3 off from 30. It was our original measurement.
Mm-hmm.
Thinking we'd have an 8-inch bed, but...
Yeah. Okay. Well, that was easy. Yeah. So, how long now?
Well, it's 80 inches long.
Okay. And we're just doing exact measurement for the mattress, I guess, huh?
Yeah, 60 by 80.
60 by 80. I feel like we've never built anything before right now.
Where do we begin?
Yeah. Just after such a long break. I feel a little rusty. Are those lined up, babe?
Huh?
Are you lined up?
The sticks?
I would measure it.
Did I fuck up?
80?
Maybe.
This is our water tank holder, part of it anyway. There's a lid for it, so our tank will sit right in there and that will go underneath our bed. So we got that done, and we also got all of our bed frame cut. So today we're just gonna assemble it all and create a little cabinet for our overhead. So hopefully it doesn't take too long. It's a little chilly today, so. And it's also our anniversary, by the way.
Yeah.
2-year anniversary. So we're spending it building our house.
Yeah, building our dream house. Another way.
Yeah, we're gonna work on the bus a little bit and then make a nice little sexy Valentine's Day dinner. I don't want to stand in the cold anymore, so let's get to work.
Yeah, you can see some bits in that. A little bit.
Yeah. We have a couple of preparations we need to do on our water tank. So, as you just saw us getting it prepped and ready, gave her a little bath because she was kind of filthy when we took her out of her box. But yeah, she's all ready to go for us to glue in her little parts to make her work. So we have a really simple situation going on. It's all gonna be gravity fed. So we have 2 little valves coming out of the top, and one will be a fill, and one will be just like an air release and an overfill, and then down at the bottom will be a drain. We have all these little pieces here ready to go, and yeah, it'll be just a really simple water situation. Just a little bit out. I'm just gonna shove my finger. Oh my god, it's really cold out, babe. Might need my coat. So it's been a couple of days and all of our silicone has dried, and we added our tubing, making a big muddy mess over here. Whoa, okay. As you can see, we added our tubing. Very simple. And now we have it down here and we're filling it up with water to test it for leaks before we decide to put it in our home and, you know, have it leak and destroy everything. So a good leak test is essential. So we don't have the male to female like adapter thing to hook the hose up into, to actually screw it onto the thing. Look at that, oh my god. Yeah, so we kind of have to rig it right now. So Jeremy's just using his hand to hold the water. Slow fill. Slow fill.
Can you see the water line yet even? Did it make a layer?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Total?
Yeah, it's filling down here.
So in lieu of the proper adapter that we should be having to like screw this all together, my brilliant boyfriend figured out this saran wrap twine like makeshift situation that there's like not a drip, it's a seamless flow. We were sitting here like freezing our hands off a minute ago, and I'm just really impressed.
We're standing under our deck, and there's all this snow up there, so we have lots of drips. So I guess we don't even know if it's leaking or not.
Well, it works!
Yeah, it works. Here she comes slowly.
Awesome! Go. Yeah. Does it? Perfectly. Is that actually?
As you can see, we have finished our upper bedroom cabinetry unit, and this is the final result. And we obviously did a very simple design. We just had these L brackets here, and this will be bolted through the side of the bus, and this will be bolted through the top of the bus.
An elaborated shelf, like the shelf we have in our kitchen. We kind of went with the same bracket concept and then just gave it a face.
Yeah, exactly.
Really. And you gotta be open-minded when you're approaching these things, because Matt was describing it to me with the brackets exposed and like the bolts and stuff, and I'm thinking, you know, sloppy carpentry. But it's so rad. It turned out looking like a repurposed chest, like a treasure chest.
It's like an old sunken treasure chest.
So let's go put it in.
Okay, let's do it. Whoa. Oh my god. Looks so good.
No way. This is amazing.
Yeah.
It looks so... look at... wow. Alright, so we are done with our overhead cabinetry. Extremely pleased. Doesn't it look great? Not just for extra storage, but to really complete the richness of this space. So now the last thing really is just to lay down the slats for our bed, and this room is gonna be pretty much done.
I know it looks like we didn't even stain anything, but we only stained what's going to be visible once the mattress is on it.
Yeah, everything on.
But yeah, anyway, yep, we're going to lay down our slats and throw the mattress on, and we'll be all done with the main bulk of this bedroom build.
A lot of storage in there. Yeah. We just installed these very simple half-inch ply cupboard doors to make a little storage unit under the bed. This is like our garage, actually.
Those are the easiest doors we've ever made.
I highly recommend these doors.
Yeah, you just cut big squares of wood and then add a knob.
Here's our 70 gallons of life-giving water right here. This is like the heart of this home. We figure 70 gallons is definitely enough for like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, right? We were talking about.
Gotta get out there and see.
Yeah, anyway, so this is the input valve, and then next door is the breathing tube, like the overfill, yeah. And so also to allow air into the tank when we are filling our water jugs. So the output is here at the bottom because we were looking for a gravity fed water system as opposed to installing a pump and having to pull the extra power unnecessarily. Genius simplicity, really, on account of Matthew's mind. The tank came as a solid cube of plastic, so as you saw, it took a little bit of work and creativity getting into it and getting it situated. But there it is.
Yeah.
It's the water for you.
This is obviously not like our final bedding and stuff. We just threw some things from our house to make it look cozy and cute.
Pretty staging, but we're gonna have to get in there right now though. Anyways.
Get my big ass up here.
Cozy. Oh my god. What? This really brought our home to kind of the finish line. I mean,
We still have so much shit to do though, babe. You're right though, the whole layout is done. And like the bulk of our furniture building is done.
yeah.
We don't really have to do crazy design planning anymore. Like angles and all that bullshit is over.
I think that's it. Can't think of anything else.
Okay. Well, you guys are awesome. Love you so
You're the best.
much.
Love you all.
And see you on the next round.